Hi, I'm Gareth, product manager at AirHealth and one of the team members that designed Skye. In this video, we're going to be walking through how to replace the filter and lamp. Skye calculates the remaining life of the filter and lamp life and shown on the home page here. The filter being on the top left, the lamp on the top right. Green indicates that there's a lot of remaining life, to yellow and orange, and then red when it's finally time to replace the filter and lamp. Filters last for 6 months and lamps last for 1 year. We highly encourage you to keep to the schedule of replacing your filters and your lamps so you're getting the best performance out of your Skye air purifier and the cleanest air. Before replacing the filter or lamp, make sure you unplug the unit from the wall, and then you can begin to lay the unit down on its side. We recommend not placing it on the face so you don't scratch the nice shiny surface. To unscrew the base, pull the power cord, unwrap from the base, and then rotate the base cover, pull off. You can pull the ProCell filter straight out, put that aside. And if you need to replace the lamp, you can pull the lamp out now. Grab it from the base and pull out. Discard your used lamp. When you have your new lamp, hold from the base and insert it into the unit. You should hear a click when it goes in. If you're just replacing the ProCell filter, hold it from the handle, insert it all the way back into the base, make sure it has a clean seal. Take your base cover, align the arrow with the base, push in, rotate till you hear it click. Take your power cord, put it through the first tunnel, you can wrap it around to keep the power cord tidy, and then poke it out the other side. When you put it upright, plug it in, and remember to hit the power button on the back. Once you've replaced the filter and/or lamp, enter the settings by turning the power on, rotating the dial all the way to the left, and enter settings. Scroll to the filter page, click to confirm to reset the filter, and if you've reset the lamp, scroll to the lamp page and click to confirm you've reset the lamp. If you see a lamp error on the home screen, it usually means the lamp wasn't installed correctly, or you may require a new lamp. If the device doesn't turn on, either the filter or the base may not have been screwed on correctly. Check to see that the filter's securely installed and that the base has clicked closed. Thank you again for trusting AirHealth and Skye with your health. If you experience any other issues, check out our FAQs on our website, and if you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to our team. Thank you.